Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the target, a web URL, a local file path, an email address, or an on-page anchor. Once you have the target, select the visible text or element you want users to click. Make sure it's descriptive. Next, decide whether to use an absolute link, which includes https, // or a relative link that starts with / or /. This affects portability and deployment. Now create the basic link wrapper so you can insert the target. You wrap the chosen text or element in an anchor tag or use the editor's hyperlink tool. This is the core action. Once done, set href to the chosen target and consider target equals blank if you want a new tab. Make sure to add rel equals nupener for security when opening external links. Also add a title or area label to explain the destination. This helps accessibility. Finally, include classes or an ID for styling and tracking, so the link matches your design and analytics. You finish by testing the link on different browsers and devices. Click it, open it in a new tab, and check relative versus absolute behavior. Once done, verify accessibility. Ensure the link is reachable by keyboard, announces properly to screen readers, and shows a visible focus style. If things go wrong, check for 404 errors, mixed content warnings when HTTPS pages link to HTTP, and incorrect relative paths. Make corrections, then retest until the link behaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.